Alright y'all, what I'm doing is changing the headlight bulbs on the Jeep Liberty 2000 on up. So let's just jump into it. I'm gonna do this side. I'm actually taking off the LED lights. One of them burnt out. I could have replaced the other bulb, but why do that when I could just put some brand new bulbs in that I already had on deck? So when you reach down under here, all you're gonna do is spin this little plastic ring bolt on. So I'm gonna go down, put my hand here. You can feel it right away, it's up against it. Spin it to the left and pull the bulb straight out, okay? Get my hand out of there. Here's the bulb. This is the bulb right here. This is the bulb, all right? And these little plastic clips lock in when you push it up against the back of the bulb, turn it, and it'll lock in place. But these are the LED lights, and this is the gadget. That's what it looks like. Okay. So, yeah, this is it here. So what I'm gonna do is pull this up, disconnect it here, and this is the clip that you're gonna put your new bulbs in. So this is what comes with the LED lights. And you wanna make sure when you're putting your new bulb in that it faces this way. So this will face this way. So we'll put it on the same way. So I'm gonna take this off, face this downward, because this is gonna go up against the bulb casing this way. Now these bulbs are, of course y'all see that this is when I did replace them. I didn't use the brand new bulbs. I used these new LED lights. See the LED lights have the chipboard on it? That's fiber optics, people. All right, that's tech. That is technology. You could put those in your kitchen and take out your fluorescent light bulbs and replace them with them. They say they last a lifetime. That's a lie, because that didn't last a lifetime. Here goes the new bulb. Let me tell you something, people. Never touch the bulb. Never. Don't get no grease or nothing on it, because the bulb will get hot and it'll burn the bulb out. So what's going to happen is you're going to put this in here like so, but I think I'm going to have to bring it, yeah, this way. And it'll go up against it and lock in. So, and there's your rubber bushing. It's going to keep water out. So this will go, set that down. I'm going to put this on here already. What I could have did, so I could work a lot easier, I'm gonna take the headlight out. All right, y'all, so easier way to get this off. Okay, you're going to need a size is in, a 10 millimeter socket. 10 millimeter socket. And I'm going to take off this bolt here, which is the star key. And if you don't have the star key, it still has the octagon shape, so you could use your socket to get it off. But I'm gonna remove this bottom light. Already started it, that's why it looks like that. All right, then you're gonna need a screwdriver, flathead, put in here, like so. Okay, and this actually should come out of here. It's not locked in. There you go. You would take it out from the inside first. And if you ever had to change this, you would take this off, take the clip off, and you can change your bottom lights. All right, now this gives me access to this octagon bolt. All right, lefty loosey, that was already loosened up. Start it out. Take your time so you don't drop your screw inside. Always spin it like that and put my finger on it to hold it. And the top one the same. And actually taking the casing off helps you get the light bulb in there perfect. See that? Like so. So what we're gonna do now is bring down that wiring harness, which is here, and put the new bulb in. And once again, do not touch the bulb. Like that. It's gonna go in the back of here like so. See that rubber piece here? It's gonna keep water from going up inside. So, all right. And rubber bushings get stubborn. This is why a flathead screwdriver is good to have. You can push on that rubber piece there. And the bulb is in there. So no water will get down around in the seal. All right, so harness right here. You'll hear it click in. Here's gonna click against this. Light bulb is in. Push this all the way back. Back in the same position that you had it in. All right, it only goes in one way. Well, it only fits one way, but it seems like it wants to go multiple directions. We want to get this in the right way too. We don't want it to be riding around squinty-eyed. Are there any other? No, it just goes in. Ball one here, one pick this hole, and this should line up perfect. All right, and that's that. And then I'm gonna put these screws on here. I'll put this one in now. And we'll start the bottom one. You don't want to rush this job. You gotta have these screws in the right way. And your ratchet for the tightening. Start the top. I didn't tighten that all the way down because you don't want this to go on crooked. No over tightening because you will crack the plastic. You want everything tight. You don't want nothing rattling. You're going down the road and wonder why your lights is bouncing. And some of y'all be thinking it's bad wiring when it's actually nobody tightened up all the screws like they're supposed to be. Now this here, we pulled this in out first, so we'll put this in, then push, snapped it in, put this screw in, and that it will be the changing of the light bulb. As soon as I tighten this up, I will end this video. Y'all can see I'm using a mini ratchet. That is the changing of the light bulbs on a Jeep Liberty Sport. All right, everybody, check it out. So I forgot to mention, once you got this off, when you put your bulb in there and I showed you, make sure that seal is sealed, you have to come over here and take this clip, okay? See the lip side, see the edge of the lips on this? There's lips here. And you notice there's no lip here, there's a lip here. So lip side down into the bulb, lip side down. So it's gonna go here, it's gonna lock into the headlight. Put that on, turn it till you feel it lock, turn it. Now the light bulb can't come out. Go ahead and put your clip in, and then put everything back together like I showed you.